today we will learn how to easily add a dreamy glow effect to make your video more captivating. So let's get started. Premiere Pro's timeline. First, create a duplicate layer of your video footage. Then go to the effect panels, search for Luma key and apply it to the top of layer. Next, search for Gaussian blur and apply it to the same layer. Now head over the effect control panels. You will see the both Luma key and Gaussian blur listed. Set the threshold and cutoff for the Luma key to 90%. Then increase the blur value for the Gaussian blur effect. As you can see, this creates a soft Gaussian blur effect on the video. To enhance the effect, reduce the opacity of the top of layer. You can also increase the blur slightly to make the video look even more dreamy. For more amazing video editing tips, be sure click out our other video on the channel.